welcome to the next session on orthographic drawing using AutoCAD. In this session, we will see how to save this file that we have created, first on the desktop itself and second in the form of a PDF, such that we are able to print this drawing. So suppose if I have to save, the first thing that I have to do is Control S and I can save it with some name of my choice, and I have pressed enter, so I have saved it. So you can see the drawing has been saved over here. Now suppose if I want to take the print of this, for that what you have to do is you will have to press Control P. You have to choose the printer. If you are directly connected to the printer, you can give the printer option, or you can click on AutoCAD PDF high quality print.pc3. Next, what I'll do is the paper size. Now I am going to print on a normal A4 size paper. So I'll choose the size. Then I will go to center to plot, units mm, drawing orientation I'm going to keep it as landscape. So you can see here when I take landscape, this becomes 297 and this becomes 210. So in that case, you can just change this to 297 by 210 so that the space is proper. So once this is done, what I'll do is I will have to go to what to plot. I will select window. I'll just reduce the size of the diagram and I'm going to mark 2 points. It is like a rectangle or a window that I have to draw. So the 1 point here and 1 point at the bottom. So when I am at this end, I will select somewhere here and then I'll go down and I will select over here. This will look like a window. So click here at the bottom. So you have selected. Click on apply to layout. OK. And then again save it wherever you want it. Save. So this will directly open the sheet that you have saved. Now why you are seeing the colors in this form is because you have given in the colored format. So suppose if I don't want to save it this way, what I have to do is I want to change all these colors to white before taking print so that I'm able to see all the lines properly. Now if you're taking a color printout, that's different thing. Most of the people take a black and white printout. So here what I'll do is I'll select Control A. I will come here and I will change the line type to 0 and then press escape. So if I do this, what happens is everything also takes the property of this 0 line. This is not the correct way. Now what I'll do is I will just go to layer properties. This is at the end of the drawing. I will change all the colors to white. Okay. So you can see this has become white. I'll change each one of them to white. There's no projection line left, but still I'll make it to white and I'll close this. So once I've done this, you can see all the lines have maintained their line type. That is, center line is still center, hidden line is still hidden, and you are still able to see the lines in white color. Now again, I'll go for, click on Control P. I just change this to Microsoft Print to PDF. I'll select the same options and here I'm going to select, I'll change this to display and then again into Windows. Apply to layout. Okay. So now you can see the difference between the two drawings. Initially when I saved it, it was showing very light lines, and if I take printout, these light lines would not be visible. Now if you see, all the lines are visible because I have used the white color for all the lines. So white basically makes it more deeper to print. Also, I have chosen a particular line weight, so it is able to give you a proper drawing. So this is how you make the print copy of it. Now this is not yet complete because we also need to give a boundary to this and also create a nameplate where you're going to write your details. So that we'll see in the next session. So with this, I end the session. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.